India's beloved singer Onisha has launched a project that pays homage to her musical roots. Nad, the Indian classical music and more, is a concept the singer has come up with to ensure classical music reaches a wider audience. Onisha's presentation is quite different from the usual Indian classical recitals. Through khayal, thumri, ghazals, geets, chaiti, she journeys through ragas beautifully. Nad is a heart-touching exploration of the Indian musical heritage where Onisha also performs Bollywood songs based on Indian ragas, thus infusing familiarity and heritage. Her first performance of the project received a lot of love and praise, and we were fortunate enough to be witness to her musical genius as she seamlessly traveled from one genre to another, one heart-wrenching note at a time.
See, the idea was basically it was not something that we cooked up just in a day or just in a matter of few months. This has been happening since the day I got invited in for performance in Doberland Music Conference. So after getting called in to perform in such an esteemed classical music conference, several people who were not aware that I am very, very inclined towards my roots in Indian classical music, the genre, the subject that I grew up learning, although predominantly people know me for the light music domain, but this is something very close to my heart, and whenever I get invited in such conferences, I have dearly went there, performed for my audiences, and this has been happening since 2024. And what my team observed when they asked me and told me that let's do it in a proper way, let's conceptualize this, let's do a set of ghazals, let's do some light classical also, semi-classical also, and pure classical also, and if we collate this and if we make it into an intellectual property, will you be game for it? So I said nothing like it, of course I will be very happy, more than happy to do it, and I came up with the name Nad, which is cosmic sound. And Nad is, in today's context, it is like an umbrella term because we have presented not just pure classical, not just only semi-classical, but also light classical and different interpretations of ragas, Indian ragas in Indian film music. Because I am very, very connected to Indian film music and people know me, appreciate me for my film songs and light songs. So I could not have avoided that segment. That is who truly I am as a musician. So apart from that, these are parts of me which many people are yet to know, and Nad is basically an attempt to let audiences know about it.
And what was the moment when you felt that you need to perform Indian classical music live?
Actually, it didn't happen like I felt it inside me, but this urge actually cooked up in me since many years now, since the last 6-7 years. Many seniors from the Indian classical music field, some of them who I have learned from also, and they are very close to me and they follow my work, but they regretted the fact that I am not really focusing on public performances when it comes to Indian classical music. So it was confined to my riyas, it was confined to my four walls. But they really wanted me to, bring out this potential to people and reach people as a classical musician also and have a parallel journey. So thanks to them also, somewhere they also inspired me. Those words, today I feel those words have come alive.
Performing in front of such esteemed guests, also sitting in the front row. How was that experience?
I was feeling almost like I have performed in Pandit Tanmoy Ghosh's Rang festival also. So in several classical conferences, I have been used to performing in front of legendary people, sitting in the front row. So that's also becoming a habit, I think. Initially, it used to be very alarming because when I walked up on the Toverland stage, it was very, very unnerving. I was very scared in front of seniors and very nervous. But today also I felt a little nervous, tad bit, because we are launching something new. But when I started performing, I think things just flew.
Can you just walk us through the items, the songs, and the bandishes that you performed today?
I started off with my Guruji's composition in a Bada Khayal, Desh Rag, and in Desh Rag I also performed my Guru's Guru, Pandit Ajay Chakraborty's composition. I started off with Pandit Joy Sarkar's composition, Sawan Mein, Badar Basse, and then I sang Badar Hirai, Drut, Ati Drut, which is Pandit Ajay Chakraborty's composition. And after the Rag Desh portion, I moved on to a very colorful part of the show today, that is Tumri with Yaad Piya Ki Aaye, which is a very, very iconic composition which I think ये बच्चा बच्चा जानता है ऐसा गाना है. मतलब क्लासिकल बोलते ही लोगों के मन में और एक रीज़न भी है मेरा ये करने का. When I started performing Indian classical music, I saw a lot of youngsters engaging. So that is also something my seniors in this particular field, they said that this is also another reason why you should perform, because your fan base will also be pulled in to engage with this genre. Otherwise कभी कभी होता है कि अरे ये तो बहुत मुश्किल है, क्लासिकल मतलब एक डरावनी चीज़ है. So the idea is to make it more approachable so that it stays on, otherwise extinct हो जाए. So with Yaad Piya Ki Aaye, the reason I chose the song is because it's very popular, as simple as that. And after that, the next segment was my personal favorite because I collabed some film songs, like in Khamaj I performed a Khamaj Bandish with Bada Natkhat. In Madhuvanti I performed Rasmi Ulfat with Madhuvanti Bandish, and so on. And then we ended with 4 iconic ghazals in the last ghazal segment.